welcome back to Postcards Texas. My name is Hannah and we're going to be talking about a little hack on how to learn a bunch of Japanese words really fast. So stay tuned. In Japanese, we have borrowed words from other countries. So we will have like words that they don't usually have in Japanese, and so they kind of need to make their own words for them. And they're very similar to the real word. So here, I'm going to show you just one second. Alright guys, so there's this list on Wikipedia that I found through another YouTuber called Gairigo and Wasego. I can't say these. I can't say it. It's just a list of borrowed words, like from American English, British English, and some other things like that. So let's go down. Looks like from Portuguese, Dutch, French, German, and English, and a little bit of Chinese, looks like. So let's see. Alright, so we go down here. So like we have all the lists of where it comes from, like the origin of the word, the meaning, and then how to say it in kind of Romanji. So, and then they have the katakana next to it. So, yeah. And then over here, it'll say like where it originated from. So, a lot of it is English, mostly. Yeah, mostly English and French. So yeah. So like let's look at one. Like desk. Desk is English. So it's desuku. Desk. It kind of sounds similar, so that's kind of cool. A lot of these borrowed words will sound very similar to the Japanese word, but you have to say it the way they say it or they probably won't understand you. So like, you can't say desuru. It's desuku. They're not gonna understand. So just don't make up the word. Like, actually go out of your way to learn it. So there's like, I don't know how many there are here, but there's a lot on this Wikipedia entry, and I'm gonna put it down in the description below so you can take a look. So, let's see, another one. Like this one, Golden Week is like a holiday in Japan, and it's called Golden Weeku. Yeah, Golden Weeku. So, I mean, it sounds really similar, but not the same. But so this little hack, like learning all these English, or not English, but borrowed words, learning all these borrowed words will, I think, help you get a massive vocabulary, because you could learn a lot of these in a week because they're very similar to words you already know if you speak English or if you speak Dutch, German, French, things like that. So yeah, I really recommend just looking at this wiki entry and like just crossing out the ones that you can learn real fast, and then you just know them. So that's cool. In the comments below, can you please leave one of your favorite borrowed words that you think is funny or something? I don't know. Just let me know which one's your favorite. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a big like, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and we will